Click on Connect option at the left side of the screen. Then select the issuing option below it. On this page, tap on Get Started button. First, you get to select who's using the card. I'm gonna choose the first one since I will use it myself. Then click on Continue. And since I will use the card for my digital agency, I'm gonna select the first choice and describe a little about the card use. After that, click on Continue button. For the AI agent, I'm gonna select for No. At the last step, you can review your data and answer. And do a check mark on the Stripe terms and hit the Continue button after that. It will take some time for Stripe to review it, and after it got accepted, click on Finish Setup button. Then click on Start Integrating over here, which will take you to this page, and you want to click on the cardholders option. Then select the Create Cardholder button at the top right corner. This sidebar will pop up, and you want to insert all the needed information. After that, click on Create Cardholder button. The cardholder has been successfully created. Now tap on the card subpage over here at the top. Then hit Create Card button at the top right corner. You may select the cardholder that you just made before and select the virtual option. You may activate the card just now by doing a check mark right here. Also, don't forget to choose the financial account. When you are good with everything, tap on Create button. And there you go, you just got the Stripe virtual card with card number, CVV, and the expiration date. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.